In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete unread messages in Yahoo Mail. First, let's start by opening Yahoo Mail. You can do this by navigating to the Yahoo website using your preferred web browser. Once there, look for the Mail option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Yahoo Mail login page. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all your email management tasks. You'll see a clean interface with various options, making it easy to navigate through your unread messages. Next, sign into your account. Enter your Yahoo email address and your password in the respective fields. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-step verification, you may need to follow additional prompts. This step is essential because accessing your account allows you to manage your emails effectively. If you encounter any issues logging in, make sure your details are entered correctly. Once you are logged in, look for the search bar. It's usually located at the top of your inbox. In the search bar, type is unread. This command is very useful as it filters your inbox to show only unread messages. When you press enter, you will notice that your inbox refreshes to display only those emails that you haven't opened yet. This helps you quickly identify which messages need your attention or can be deleted. Next, click the Select checkbox above the email list. This checkbox is typically located at the top of the column that lists your emails. By clicking this box, you are selecting all the emails currently displayed on the page. If you have a significant number of unread messages, this selection process saves you a lot of time. You won't have to select each email individually, which can be tedious. If available, click Select All Unread Messages. This option appears right after you check the main checkbox. It allows you to select every unread email in your inbox, not just those visible on the current page. This is particularly useful if you have numerous unread emails scattered across different pages. With everything selected, you can manage your inbox more efficiently, ensuring you don't miss any important emails. Now click the Delete icon, which looks like a trash can. You will find this icon at the top of your inbox near the other action buttons. Clicking this icon will initiate the deletion of the selected emails. It's important to ensure that you really want to delete these messages since they will be sent to the trash. This action helps declutter your inbox and makes it easier to find important messages later on. Finally, confirm the deletion if prompted. Yahoo Mail may ask you to confirm that you want to delete the selected unread messages. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions. Take a moment to ensure that you are okay with removing these emails. Once confirmed, you will see a notification indicating that the emails have been successfully deleted. This reassurance confirms that your inbox is now cleaner and more manageable. By following these steps, you can efficiently delete unread messages in Yahoo Mail. A clean inbox helps improve your productivity and ensures you don't miss important communications. Happy emailing!